It's time for another high-stakes cake race. Are you and your friends ready for a relay race of birthday party proportions? To play the game, give each team their platter, a cake, and candles. Then it's time to lay out your course. Don't touch the red obstacles or you'll have to go back. Follow the directions on the green discs until you get to the next one. They may have you walking with your eyes closed, skipping along, or holding your cake with just one hand. If your candles fall off, it's okay. Just stop, put them back on, and then you may continue. The first team to cross the finish line with their candles in place on top of their cake wins the cake race.